CompTIA Tech Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.4. Given a scenario, install and configure common peripheral devices. Device Setup. With Exam Objective 2.4, I will be teaching you about common peripheral devices, basic configuration settings, and some installation types you might encounter along the way. The images I will be using will be based on the Windows 11 operating system. This is because CompTIA exam content and questions will lean more toward Windows than any other operating system. Well, with the exception of the Linux Plus exam, of course. For device setup, Windows 11 has two main utilities: Control Panel and Windows Settings. Together, these tools let you view and change a wide range of system settings. Both utilities include applets that allow you to configure user accounts, manage accessibility features, and adjust network settings. And most importantly for this exam objective, you can use them to add, remove, and configure various peripheral devices. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.